Hi, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to change content restrictions in web content on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X from your home screen, first go to Settings. Then in the settings, scroll down and click the Screen Time. Then after that, in the screen time, scroll down again and click the content and privacy restrictions. Then in the content and privacy restrictions, click the content restrictions. Then after that, find the web content, then click. Then after that, in the web content, if you want to change it to limit adult website, just click until there's a check mark on the side. And if you want to change it to allowed websites, just click the allowed websites. And if you want to unrestrict it, just click the unrestricted until there's also a check mark on the side. And that's it. We have successfully changed content restrictions in web content on iPhone X. If you have a question, you can comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!